I'm in my website dashboard and my AI marketing agent has given me some social media to review. And Inspector Website Builder, they do all of my social media posting. So here's a social media post that's ready for my review. It was made yesterday, so I'm going to review and approve it. I'll show you that. Every month, my social media plan changes according to my AI, SEO, optimized search engine, Google ad stuff. It changes. And AI helps me tweak my social media content plan based upon all of my marketing efforts and how effective it is, including my social media, which is just too much data for a human being. It's overwhelming. So if you're hiring someone to do all of your social media posting without AI and all these tools that Inspector Website Builder has, you've made a mistake. So I'm leveraging as a home inspector an enormous amount and multiplying my efforts in order to manage my Google ad campaign, my SEO, my social media, all of my marketing through one service provided by Inspector Website Builder. Let's take a look at the social media content plan. And there it is. Every social media post is dated with a subject and a caption. And here's where a human being can't do it all. Anna from Inspector Website Builder leverages the AI marketing agent in order to analyze patterns in behavior of potential clients searching for a home inspector in your area, gathering those keyword search data analysis, and tweaking the captions within each social media post. That can't be done by a human being. You need to hire someone who can oversee and manage AI marketing systems for home inspectors. And it's way smarter than me. I mean, here comes a post about celebrating International Cat Day. You know how many homeowners have pets? I didn't even know it was International Cat Day, but it automatically will post a social media picture, a really cute picture of me with a cat. And then take a look at the captions that was SEO optimized by my AI marketing agent. Join Big Ben Inspections in celebrating International Cat Day. Show some love of your feline friends and create a safe, healthy home environment with professional inspection tips and advice from our experts. That's a fantastic caption that's written out in my content plan every month that I can review and approve. Here's another social media post it's ready to review, and it pulled up radon tester because it analyzed my inspection services, and one of them is radon testing. And I'm going to review and approve. And it's going to post this on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn. It's also going to include a coupon code that I have set up within my website dashboard. All of my marketing efforts, all of my referrals, my coupon codes, my discounts, my QR codes are all programmed in my website dashboard so that if I use it in a social media post, I can track whether that coupon code that I put in the social media posts generated a qualified lead to my website. I'm not just making stuff up in every post. I'm measuring everything I say in a social media post and tracking it to see if it generates qualified leads. That's the reason you get social media. You want social media to confirm what you do, but you also want to measure how effective your marketing is to generate qualified leads for your home inspection business. And AI helps you be specific and effective. And I get all of this within my website dashboard because I hired Inspector Website Builder. Reviewed, approved, my social media posts, everything is optimized, confirm. And the goal is also said right here, to build a community on social media by designing and posting content that connects with my audience, sharing important updates, enhancing brand visibility. And if I wanted to see how well my social media is performing, I just ask Cleo. She's my AI marketing agent, and she can summarize my social media performance. And here's what Cleo says. Organic social traffic received 27 sessions from social media in the last 30 days. That's a 50% increase compared to the previous period. My top performing post, my most engaging post was on Twitter, published August 8th, and I can view it there. This growth indicates improved engagement and visibility on social media platforms. Thank you. You have a great day too. So that's an inside look at my social media marketing and talking to my AI marketing agent, which Inspector Website Builder put together for me. And that's Inspector Website Builder.